In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Splitwise app permissions. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account settings to review and adjust your privacy and security options, so you stay in control of your information. Let's start from your Splitwise dashboard in a web browser. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might show your initials or a small avatar. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. In that menu, choose the option labeled Your Account. This is where Splitwise keeps all of your personal settings, including the privacy and security controls that affect app permissions. After clicking Your Account, you will be taken to your account settings page. Here, you might see several different sections, such as basic profile information, notification preferences, and more. What you want to do now is scroll down the page until you find the section called Privacy and Security. Take your time and scroll slowly so you don't miss it, because this is the area where you can manage how your account interacts with apps and services. In the Privacy and Security section, you'll see options related to how your data is shared and how apps are allowed to access your account. This is where you can review existing permissions and make adjustments if something doesn't look right to you. For example, if you've connected Splitwise to another app in the past and you no longer use it, this is usually the place where you can revoke or change that access. Spend a moment here to read through the available options and make any changes that match your comfort level and how you actually use Splitwise. Once you've reviewed and updated everything in the Privacy and Security section, the final step is very important. You need to save your changes. Look for the Save button on the page, usually towards the bottom of the settings area. Click on Save to make sure all of your new preferences are applied to your account. If you navigate away without saving, your changes may be lost, and your permissions will stay the same as before. That's all you need to do. Click your profile icon, go to your account, scroll to Privacy and Security, adjust what you need, and then click Save. With these steps, you can easily manage your Splitwise app permissions and keep your account settings aligned with your privacy needs.